Hello guys, myself Pritesh Vijay Patil. I am from Maharashtra and I have joined Evision platform on March April 2023, and after onwards 1 month, this is 1 month batch, and after completion of 1 month batch I got placed in Mahindra Mahindra because of such a nice training and teaching of Evision teachers and all staff who always supports us for getting place. So I request you all who are looking for nice career and placements in IT sector. I recommended them to join these Evision classes. The Evision classes accept for great career because there are so many skills and learning related to hardware and software things. You can learn all the things like networking or all the CCNA like administrator Windows. All these topics are covered into these lectures. So I personally recommended you to join Evision who are looking for intermediate joining in IT companies for great career. Thank you, Evision.